Hello everyone! Let's start a cute little summer project together. Today I'll show you how to crochet a super simple mesh bag. The mesh pattern is slightly modified to create cute and unique round shapes. This project is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Make a slip knot. Chain 59. After chaining 59, place a marker in the 59th chain. Make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2. Work 2 double crochets in the same chain as before. Chain 2. Now skip 2 chains below. Make a double crochet in the 3rd chain. Make a double crochet in the next chain. Chain 2. Now repeat the same steps. Skip 2 chains below. Make 2 double crochets in the 3rd and 4th chains, then chain 2. Repeat this pattern until the end of the chain. At the end of the chain, 3 chains remain. Skip 2 chains. Insert the hook into the last chain and make 2 double crochets, chain 2. Continue with 2 double crochets and chain 2. Repeat 3 times. Skip 2 stitches below. Make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Repeat the same steps until the end of the row. Work to the last stitch here. Repeat 2 double crochets, chain 2, twice. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish round 1. Continue to round 2. Chain 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Place a marker in the 3rd chain. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Make a single crochet in the space. Chain 1. Make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Chain 1. Make a single crochet in the space. Chain 1. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish round 2. Continue with round 3. Chain 3. Place a marker in the 3rd chain. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Skip the middle section. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 space. Make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Chain 2. Skip the middle section again. Make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Chain 2. Repeat this pattern to the end of round 3. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish round 3. Continue with round 4. Round 4 is the same as round 2. Chain 3. Place a marker in the 3rd chain. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Make a single crochet in the space. Chain 1. Repeat this pattern to the end of round 4. Even numbered rows follow the same pattern. Odd numbered rows follow the same pattern. I'll see you again after completing 27 rows. After finishing 27 rows, chain 1. Make a single crochet into the chain just made. Place a marker in this stitch. Make a single crochet in the next stitch. Make 2 single crochets in the space. Continue with 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. Make 2 single crochets in the space. Repeat single crochet across the row. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish the row. Chain 1. Now crochet 2 more rows the same as the previous one. All stitches are single crochets. Make a single crochet into the chain just made. Place a marker in the first stitch. Now I'll show you how to mark positions for the bag straps. Fold the bag in half. The double crochet groups will align like this. It will be symmetrical on both sides. From the meeting point here, start counting. This is 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, At the fourth group, place a marker on the stitch on the left side. Pull it straight up. You will see the single crochet stitch you worked into. Then mark the corresponding stitch that aligns with the stitch on the left. On this side, count 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a marker on the stitch on the right side. Pull this stitch upward. You will see the single crochet stitch that corresponds to it. Then mark this stitch. Repeat the same for the other side of the bag. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Mark the stitch on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark the stitch on the right side here. You will have 4 marked positions. These are where we will crochet the bag straps. Here, chain 1. Make a single crochet into the chain just made. Place a marker in this stitch. Next, work single crochets across until the marked position. Make a single crochet into the marked stitch. From here, chain 100. After chaining 100, continue with a single crochet into the marked stitch. Next, work single crochets until the next marked position. Here, chain 100. Continue into the next marked stitch. Work single crochets until the marked stitch at the beginning. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish the row. Chain 1. Make a single crochet into the chain just made. Work single crochets across the entire row. Now crochet the third and fourth rows, the same as row 2, to make the straps thicker. After finishing the fourth row of the straps, cut the yarn and sew it into the first marked stitch here. You can add a lining inside the bag, like I did to prevent small items from falling out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and leave a comment to share your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next videos. See you in the next one.